Hello guys, my name is Tahir and I am architectural engineer. I have made these drawings of solar study in Revit and this project was finished, but we got a minor change in this drawing. So the change is we have to make this roof as a flat roof. Right now it is slope roof, but we have to make it a flat roof. So this is a dormer and we are going to change the roof right here over the dormer. So let's do that. So what I will do is that I will go to a 3D view. You can also do this right here in the viewport. Let me show you how. So you can just simply double click in the viewport and you just click on this roof. Here you can see the edit footprint option. You will just remove the slopes like this and like this. Okay, so just click on unjoin elements and here you can see the roof is now flat, but now we have to work right in the model space. So for that I will go into 3D views. Right, it will go it will take me to the main model tab. Yes, so let's see it from another angle, how it is looking is. So what you will do is that just click on it and you can just move this roof to the top by just pressing the top button from the keyboard like this. Okay, it's quite simple, there is no rocket science here. See, this is very easy, this is way more than easy, right? Just like this. Okay, so now we have to connect this roof with that roof, the slope roof one. And for this I will go to modify menu and here you can see the roof join unjoin roof option. You just click here, this one and this one. See, now it is joined with the slope roof. So there is another requirement of the client that we have to make this dormer a little bit more wider than the existing one. So for this I will go to short plan maybe and click on this. Okay, so here is the dormer walls. You can just add 1 meter width in this dormer. So 1600. Right now it is 1600. You can make it like 1800. It is 17. You can make it 1800. Let me write 1800. It's 1900, and you can make it 2000. Yes. See, it's way more than easier. Just like this. So let's see Earth's view from top now. It should be 2000. Yes. Now it is perfect. So this was all about his change. We had to make this slope roof to flat roof, and we had to make this dormer a little bit wider than the previous width. Okay, so hope you guys liked my video, and I will be doing more Revit projects like this, and wish you best of luck. Take care. Bye.